Challenges Go Crypto Investing. In this quick late evening update, you can see the Bitcoin price. We came in this little symmetrical triangle that we talked about, or rising wedge, however you want to look at it. Hold on, let's look at this in the hour time frame. You can see, you could say this is a rising wedge, right? It's similar to a symmetrical triangle, but it's angled upwards, so it's a rising wedge. And they're bullish continuation patterns, but bearish reversal patterns when they conclude. And what you would normally see here is you're coming up into here, that you would fall back down to this underneath support into this rising channel, right? That's usually how that works, right? See that right there? But because you're in a falling channel. But the falling channels are bearish continuation patterns, but at the bottom of it, they're bullish reversal patterns, right? But what you could see if you break down out of this, get out of there. You come all the way back down, and then you trade up and then break out, right? But in this little channel here that you're in, or this rising wedge, if you did break out, they can break up out of this. It's just more times than not they break down. You would go from the top of the little channel to the bottom, oops, like this. We gotta get that to the point of a breakout, and that would bring you up here to 22,179, right, on the Bitcoin US dollar chart. But they more times than not break down, and if they broke down, you can see where it would lead you. If you go to the point of a breakout, it'd bring you down to the top part or just below the top part of the white support zone. And just so happens a technical target out of a pattern like this, a rising wedge or a falling wedge. A falling wedge, it would just be angled to the downside. The technical target is the bottom of the wedge, which is down there, right about where you could fall down to on a technical target to the downside, which would just be just above that green ring and just above a double bottom right here, right? So now that you see what's going on, that's the trading setup that you're in right now. The probabilities say this is going to break to the downside, but even if the probabilities are 7.5 out of 10 they break to the downside, there's still a 2.5% chance, or 2.5 out of 10 that you can break to the upside. But if you're playing the probabilities, like we're a probability-based trading service, you break to the downside. And once again, use my links down below if you want to help support the channel. Right, it's bowling night. I bowled very good, but we came up against our superior opponent, and it didn't matter how good we bowled. They were getting handicapped, and they just smoked us, right? But my links as a Bitget partner help support the channel. And what is his name? I'm gonna give you. You're my caller of the week. He just signed up for Jabroni Killers after he got off of his tugboat that he works on. So he seems like he's a tradesman, maybe a welder or an iron worker or a pipe fitter. But my man, Conrad Williams, I'm going to give you a free month of Jabroni Killers. Just give me a comment in here, or get me on Twitter like you've done, Conrad Williams, whatever membership of a Jabroni Killers that you paid for. Give me a comment down below on a Cash App, a PayPal, Bitcoin. If you want me to transfer you any kind of crypto, I'm going to give you a free membership for a free month of Jabroni Killers. You give me, if you got Bitcoin, I'll send you Bitcoin. I'll send you Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever crypto you want, Conrad. Or I'll Cash App, PayPal you, right? Whatever's more convenient for you. But Conrad, you work on a tugboat. I'm going to give you a free month members of Jabroni Killers. Just give me a link down below, a comment down below, right? Where we at? Oh, we're here. How you doing? There you go. Hold on a brief second, audience. Thank you. Have a good one. So, Conrad, like I was saying before we got cut off, I'm going to give you a free member of Jabroni Killer. Do you want me to, whether you want me to transfer that as Bitcoin, crypto, Cash App, PayPal, whatever, you let me know down below, Conrad. You, my commenter, and I'm sorry. No, you're fine. I thought that was the bag for the food. Oh, no, sorry. These are napkins. Yeah, you're good. All right.
and we're checking up on your food.
Yep, thank you. You're Conrad, brother. You are subscriber / commenter of the week. Like I gave the one guy Bitcoin. Thank you. Nope, I'm good.
All right.
Have a good one. You too. Like the last guy that I gave, Conrad, I gave the guy $10 in Bitcoin for being commenter of the week. You are been since the very beginning, and there's a few other ones. Derek G. Maybe next week I'm going to give you, if you're out there, Derek G. You just message me in the same video or Twitter or Telegram, and next week I think Derek G. Deserves subscriber of the week next week, and you're going to get a free member of Jabroni Killer Derek G for next week. Comment down below in here. Give me if you want Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you want me to transfer you a free membership of Jabroni Killer and any kind of crypto, or Cash App, PayPal, whatever's more convenient for you, Derek G, next week. You get a free membership of Jabroni Killers, or you don't even have to use it for next month. You don't even have to resubscribe. It's just a free Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or whatever you want, Derek G. And this week is Conrad. Conrad, you off the tugboat, get a free member of Jabroni Killer. And for this week, you just give me your Bitcoin or whatever other kind of link you got. If you want Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever, I will transfer it to you in that. Or if you have a PayPal or Cash App, Conrad, you get a free member of Jabroni Killer. You are the second inaugural member that gets a comment / listener of the week award. The first one last week, I forget my man's name, but he commented on Telegram and he got $10 or $12, I think I transferred him in Bitcoin. And this week is Conrad, and you're going to get a free member of Jabroni Killer. And next week has already been won. Derek G, you get a free member of Jabroni Killer. You've been here for, I think, since the beginning of Jabroni Killers, so you deserve a free week. And whether you want it in Cash App or PayPal or Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other kind of crypto, XRP, both of you, please comment down below and give me the information that you want to get your free members to Jabroni Killers, because Conrad and Derek G, you've been here since the very beginning, and you deserve something back from me, old Vincenzo, for all of your listening and all of your support to the channel. And I appreciate you guys both so much, as well as the rest of the audience. And every single week, 4 times a month, free members of Jabroni Killer / free Bitcoin will be handed out for commenter and subscriber of the week. Go on to my Twitter, my Telegram, Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, to try to win those. But we have our this week, Conrad, next week, Derek G. Congratulations. You are both subscribers, commenters, and contributors of the week. So thank you very much. And we see right now on XLM, you can see what we got going on here is you got your underneath support, and XLM is the blue fib circle that I've been watching for a long time at point. It's actually slightly uptrending, so now it's at 8.5 cents, and your overhead resistance is at 16 cents right here on the red line, which is major overhead resistance, and that's what I'll be playing. You got to get above the 200-day to get bullish, and if you get rejected, you're coming back down to the 8-cent level. If you look at XRP, you can see you're looking at 33 cents as the 200-day moving average. If you break above the 200-day moving average with our industry-exclusive drawing tool right here, you can fire up to 37 cents. But if you get rejected by the 200-day moving average, you're going to come down to 26 cents. So it's the critical area that you're at right now. But I've been thinking this bear market rally should last a little bit longer. But we're going to continue to watch out at this as it says crossroads in XRP, right? Along with the rest of the crypto market after we've had major lending services go bankrupt. And there's a lot of uncertainty in the crypto market, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Once again, Conrad, you have a free member of Jabroni Killers. Comment down below whether you want Bitcoin, PayPal, whatnot, how you want to be paid for that. And Derek G, comment down below. You are the subscriber / commenter of the week for next week, and you get a free member of Jabroni Killers. So 2 free memberships given out to old Vincenzo to his dedicated audience members. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.